Today, we're adding an upgrade to the RV.
That's right. And you know, Clay, I have to be honest, I feel like we're kind of late to the game with this because I've seen this product everywhere on every kind of RV imaginable. But hey, better late than never, right?
That's right. Today we're installing RV SnapPads to the Tiffin.
Yes.
And hey, stay tuned to the end and we'll tell you how to save some money on your purchase of SnapPads.
Yep.
So what are RV SnapPads?
Well, first, they're the world's only permanent jack pads made right here in the USA from durable, recyclable tires. These snap pads snap onto your RV's leveling jacks and they stay on for good. They're kind of like rubber shoes for your RV's feet. And because they remain on your RV, there's no more crawling underneath to place blocks under the jacks.
Which is very convenient because we've been to several RV parks where we require some type of pad or block to be placed under the jacks. Now with these, we won't have to be concerned about that issue because again, they snap on and stay on.
And hey, another cool benefit about the RV SnapPads is they increase your overall diameter of the RV's jack pads. Our particular model up here in the front foot pad here is 8 inches in diameter. Well, when you add on the snap pad, that diameter is now increased to 10 inches. Our rear foot pads, they're 11.5 inches. And when you add the snap pads, now it's increased to almost 14 inches in diameter. That's nice.
Another benefit of SnapPad is that they provide an inch-thick piece of rubber under the foot, which can make your rig feel more stable on a wide variety of terrains, including grass, mud, sand, gravel, what have you.
And like we said earlier, these actually act as a rubber shoe for your jacks. And hey, the Tiffin here weighs around 40,000 pounds. I mean, that's 20 tons. So having some rubber shoes on is going to be a good thing. They also help protect your metal leveling feet from scrapes and bends that can certainly occur on rocky or uneven surfaces.
Now we're going to show you how easy it is to install the RV SnapPad on the RV. First, just add some dish soap around the lip of the SnapPad as a lube for the installation. You want to install one SnapPad at a time. To do that, Daryl's going to use the manual jack feature at the control panel while I handle the jacks outside. All right, so what you do is first you line your pad up with the jack and then you bring your jack down. Go, Daryl. Slow. Slow, 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 slow. Come on down, slow, slow. Stop, stop. Make sure it's lined up. Okay, I think we got it here. Sure it's lined up. Bring it down some. Ready? Yep, bring it down some. Slow, very slowly. Slow. Go. Woohoo! We got it done, and that's how it's done. Let's do the other 3. Slow, 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 slow. Okay, slow, slow. Okay, stop, stop. What you got in there? Come on a little bit. Stop, come, stop. Come a little slower. Right, okay. Come on, every one of these. Come down. A little bit in. Come a little bit. It's coming down. Stop. All right. Looks like you are. Yeah, it's coming down. Yeah, there you go. And we got it. Slow, slow, slow. Go ahead. Oh. Slow, slow, slow. I gotta line up with that thing over there. Slow, slow. And I'm gonna touch the top. Stop.
Well, that was certainly a snap,
Yep.
right? It took us about 15 minutes to do the job. By the way, if you're in the market for some snap pads, keep in mind that it's not a one-size-fits-all. So make sure you go to their website, which is RVSnapPad.com, and make sure you get the right ones for your rig.
Yep.
Also, you can enter Tolleson Life and get a 10% discount on your purchase. That link will be down below.
Yep. Hope our time together has been helpful. If so, smash that like button, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, be well and stay safe. Perfect. Yeah, it did really good.
What are you doing, Clay?
Putting these daggone snap pads on.